you're going to say a few words to Jen. So I had Jen in my previous class in the previous term for about 3 months. And then, of course, she progressed and moved on to level 3, where she is with Krista now. But so we all sort of decided that I should say a few words. Jen was probably one of the best and most dedicated, committed student I've ever had. She worked so hard. She always thought it wasn't enough. So she would go home and study so hard. And then in class she would ask questions and she wanted to understand things, which as teachers made me very, very happy. And I'm sure Krista understands that. So Jen, congratulations. I'm sure Krista's going to miss you. I'm going to miss you. I already miss you a lot. And good luck.
Today I'm sad because tomorrow is my last day at WIE. Here I want to thank my teachers. They are very, very nice. They always encourage me and give me confidence. I'm grateful for their help. At WIE, I learned a lot. I believe my English has improved. I really appreciate. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
I'm going to miss this. As Patricia said, Jen is so hardworking, does all her homework, does all the activities. She is an absolute pleasure to have in class. But aside from that, Jen is just a really lovely person. She helps her fellow students. I know everyone in the class really appreciates you for all you do to help everyone. So we're really going to miss you. What are we going to do?
Because all the same things apply. This lovely student we're going to miss so much because she does all of those things. She's lovely to have in class. You work so hard. She's always so calm. You just feel relaxed when you're near her. She never shows anything. Nothing like that. She's just so lovely. You really are. I mean it so genuinely. It's been lovely to have you. We're really going to miss you. And I know your classmates will miss you as well. You really have been listening to her. So all the best for whatever your life has got ready for you next, because I know if you commit yourself like you've done here, you're going to do well. Thank you so much. All the best.
I would like to say a few words. I am very, very grateful with WIE, especially with the teacher and the staff service. And I would like to say, Teacher Mary Rose, you are a very wonderful, lovely and kind person. Thank you so much. And Teacher Patricia, you are a brilliant and excellent teacher.
Yes.
I had the opportunity to study with you a few weeks. This was a wonderful experience. Thank you so much. And finally, I would like to say, everyone, nothing is impossible. Believe in yourself. Never give up.
Yes.